Look at how big this thing is. It totally came out perfect. It's gigantic. I love it. I want it for my bathroom, but unfortunately, it is not mine. What's up, everybody? Happy Tuesday. It's a little bit of a different week. I am actually doing a live sale tonight. I usually hold my shows on Sundays, but I also sell crystals, so my box of crystals are showing up today, so we're doing a live sale today instead because I hold a raffle every month, and it's the end of the month, and they need to get in, and it's like a whole thing. But anyways, here is the finished Rose Dragon that we did with the Summer Reverie from Flash Forge. Y'all know how juicy and delicious that was from my last vlog. We've got the spiders with the hearts. I did both of these in 2 new filaments that I tried out from the sale. I got the really beautiful Abyssal Red from Vogue's Lab, and then I got this really pretty neon green from, I think it's Duramac. I'm not sure, but it will be linked below with the correct name if I'm wrong. And I got in a really pretty blue and pink matte rainbow that I just tried out on this, I don't know what this is, but he's a really cute dragon. So I have him made. What else did we do? And also the little Geetech mini printer is doing really well. It's done all of these. So he's basically pumping out just really cute mini objects a little bit at a time. But it has been printing very well. We've been doing trilobites, and all of these little sea creatures, including the spiders, have been on the little mini Geetech. What else have we done? These are going to be free gifts, which I like to do on my lives. We did something that I want to show you guys that I thought was really cool. So here is a gecko that we printed with that neon filament I just showed you guys. He's just a regular little gecko, right, with the little eyeball that we print out and glue in. So see how these all have that. These got them glued in. Those are glued in, so we got those glued in. He'll need some too. But we decided to hide a little magnet in there, and we wanted to see if he'd work. So now while you don't see anything, he is a magnet. So how cool is that? I'm really excited. So we're gonna do more of this stuff like this. These are all magnet dragons, which I absolutely love these. So these guys are really cute too. I am thinking about trying these out, making more of these on Etsy. We were also thinking about putting our own negative space on some of these models. So for example, we could put a negative space in the back of him, put a big ass magnet, and now he is a functional magnet. And I was just, you know, thinking about it. People could design, they could, like kids in high school could decorate their lockers, people could decorate their cubicles, put it on your fridge. I think it's a really good idea. Even like this, we could put magnets in this and you could stick it, you know. So I'm excited to try that out. We're excited to do more projects with that. We've got some axolotl dragons. We did some boy ones before. Now we're doing some girl ones. So these are the Cinderwing axolotl dragons. This is for a client, an alligator. And then this is that filament that I showed you with that dragon just now. This is Zero again. Zero is the one that we did these turtles in. And now they're also making these little dragons. So this one's going to be way more icy, and I'm excited to check this one out. These are really quick too. Just kidding. I don't think that's the right time because I think it thinks it has 4 colors. So I think it's actually half that. So yeah, that is what's going on in the print room right now. We are going to be live in a few hours. So I will show you guys how the sale went and what was popular for our crowd. So yeah, I'll see you guys in just a second. Alright, big old mess I gotta clean up. Lots has gone on, but it is Friday, so I do apologize. I haven't been vlogging all week. Lots have been going on though, so we're gonna check out what's been going on in here. So we made the magnet geckos and I've stuck them all over my shelf because I'm a girl. That's what girls do, right? Look at this guy, he's so cool. So I made myself a bowl because I'm redecorating my bathroom, which we're probably posting that video today. So if you haven't seen it, I will link it in the description or after this video. You guys can check out my redecoration of my 3D printed bathroom. We've got some magnet worms, which I didn't like at first, but I really like them now. I'll show you a completed one. Probably a test model there, not really sure what's going on. Louise did that. This is something that's going in my bathroom, and so is this. So I'm really excited for that video to come out. What is this? Oh, I think this is a small prototype of my big shelf. So this we're doing in Ujoy Bio. They sent me some silver and I'm really excited to try it because I've really liked everything they've sent me so far. I decided to make a shelf. I was gonna do a really big dragon, but I really wanna do the dragon next week. So I'm doing my bathroom first in the silver crystal shelf, and then a gigantic, Louise is gonna make a big gigantic skull in the silver. And that way you can really see how this filament handles different types of models. As you can see, we use gyroid infill. It just, on our slingers, it has been perfect. We love using gyroid. What do you guys use? But yeah, let's just check out and see what else is going on. It is Friday. I am setting up for my raffle, my giveaway. I'm not really sure everything that's going in it yet, but typically I start putting things up here that I think I want to include in that prize, and then we'll do one more raffle month, and then I'm done for the summer. I usually do it in 3-month bursts, once or twice a year. Okay, here is the worm that we made. Now the file that we found on Maker World. If you see these magnets came with bamboo, with their stuff. They send you little kits and stuff. This model and every other model that we found would not fit these magnets. They were either too big or too small. It was really annoying. I wish I could show you the worm that we did have. The magnets didn't fit, and I actually sold it for much less than it would have been if it was fixed. We went in there and we fixed the actual negative space, and now the magnets fit perfect. They actually had a hole on every single link, which I thought was kind of overkill for magnets. So we erased these 3 holes, and now he's perfect. And these eyes are the glass eyes, so you can pick whatever eyeball that you want. I really like this caterpillar, so he's great. And he's just awesome. I absolutely love him. He is so good. We have been making so much stuff on the mini Geetag. It literally took a couple weeks to finesse how to use it. We also, oh my god, look at this hideous thing. What is this? I guess Louise was like, there's a lot of demand for the fossil creatures, you know, like the prehistoric stuff. This thing is no thank you. Please don't make that again, Louise. So it's Friday, we got a lot to do. We're getting our other video out with our remodeling of the bathroom, and yeah, I'll probably keep this vlog going for the rest of the week, probably till Monday. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next clip. What's up, everybody? Happy Saturday. The week sure does fly by when you're having fun, right? We got all kinds of crazy stuff going on, lots of long prints. I don't think anything will be done anytime soon. We've got some Carmanders at 1756 left. We've got some awesome crystal dragons with some plushies. This is a new filament I'm trying out, so I'm excited to see how the gradient comes out. So I'll show you when that's done. Over here, we're making some bookmark holders because that stand I made previously was just too small for most of my bookmarks. Over here are some zeros because it was a really fast print. Even though, why does it say 11.5? I swear it was like 8. I don't know what happened. Sometimes that happens. We're using glow orange and glow green because he's got like a pumpkin nose. So I'm excited to see how this turns out. Over here we have a big old jumbo skull being made. That's Luisa's personal skull. He's using that silk that we got from Ujoy Bio, so we're just excited to see how it turns out. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on. Nothing is on the mini. We call this guy Trilo now because he basically makes trilobites. And then over here, look at that flushie, how that came out from these R2D2s. That is super stunning. I love that. Right now, the table looks a little empty. I have been taking off a lot of extras and placing them in a basket on the side just so I have more room. But tomorrow is my raffle. I gotta go pick up a big old owl I had printed for the prize. I didn't have the colors, I didn't have the time for it, so I typically just buy the majority of the prize versus print it myself because I just don't have the time. But anyways, this is what it's looking like. We will be back, or you guys can just come with us to go toy shopping. So let's just go. This is the car that I want, you guys. Help me manifest it. Okay guys, it's Sunday morning. Everyone is still asleep. We got a live show in about 2 hours, but it looks like everything is done. This is the part where you gotta make sure everything came out good, right? Let's see. Those guys came out pretty nice. We got some pretty cool dragons. I love that plushie. Oh my god, those are so cute. I love that. I love this filament. Ooh, we got a new dragon with some eyes. So Luis stays up pretty late getting stuff going for the night, and then I wake up early and handle things. It looks like his skull, his mega skull is done. Oh my god, that thing is gigantic. Well, hello there. You gonna wake everybody up? I've got a bunch of open baskets. Everybody's waiting for me to be live. I'm excited. It's gonna be a fun show. Hang out with my friends. Here is Zero with the glow nose. I'll show you a quick scan of how the table looks before I go live. I'll jump on here and show you everything that sold. I know I started the beginning of this show talking about Tuesday's live show, but that was just a weird day, and this is my normal day, so I will talk to you guys in just a second. Okay, we're about 30 minutes from starting. Table is just packed now. Just so much on it. It's just crazy what it looks like. But I'm excited. Crystal side of things also packed. Very exciting. I've got my notes here. So typically every Sunday I will do a grid that shows what is for sale and how much it costs. And then I write down names that I need to get going. But I think today I'm not going to do it that way. I think instead of allowing everyone to get anything they want and me just printing it, even if they were late to the show, I can't really do that anymore. It's not cost savvy for me. So for now, if anybody does want something extra, I'm going to have to quote them how much it would cost. Because, you know, if I can make a plate of 5 caterpillars and then 6 people want them, that one caterpillar that I have to print is not going to be as cheap as the 5. And you guys know that. So, you know, I've run into that issue a couple times, and I try to just look past it because my clients have been with me for so long that it's not like, you know, I'm doing this for new people. This is for people that have been with me for over the years. So I'm just trying to find a way that works for both of us. And doing it this way now incentivizes people to come to the show because I can't necessarily guarantee them a print if they miss the show. So that also helps. But I'm pretty excited. This is the prize I'm giving away. Everything that's on this, plus they get to choose between the dragon and this fluorite or this skull. So that should be pretty fun. I'm excited to see who wins. I'm using my new bowl to pick a winner. And oh, look at this. Ah, it's so big. So this is actually a bigger version of this guy, but this guy didn't have this thing on it. So Luis added this so he'd be more stable sitting down because these rock back, whoever the modeler was. So we designed it so it cannot roll back. And then he made this for all of his tools. This is also made with that Silk Ujoy Bio. Y'all, their filament is so good. I'm so excited. I hope I can get more. And that way I can do a big dragon. But yeah, you guys do get a discount code. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already. It's in the pinned comment below. But yeah, I got to get going on this show. I'll let you guys know how it went. All right. The show is over. It took a little over a couple of hours. Facebook was angry at me for playing copyright music. But what are you going to do? Yeah, we got like 19 baskets, which was really nice. A lot of stuff. My gold imperial is gone. I love him. So a lot of really great items going out this week. Table is very disheveled. It's kind of how it goes during the live. Things get tossed around, moved around. But yeah, we definitely hit it hard, and it was a fun show. My knees ache. Typically my knees ache after about 2 hours, but the longest show I've ever done, I can't even believe it, was 6 hours. That was back in 2021. I did a show from 6 a.m. to noon, and whew, that was a long day. I don't even know how I did it. I usually do just about 2 hours, and I'm good. Sometimes it's even just an hour. It really just depends on the crowd and how fast people are claiming and how we get through things. But yeah, it was a fun show. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys ever have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I try my best to get everybody answered. Yeah, and then if I never answer your question, just bug me again because it means I probably didn't see it. So Thanks so much. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Check out another video of ours that we just did on our bathroom if you missed it. I'll link it down below. I hope you all have a wonderful week. Bye for now.